Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify inventory not tracked. Now this is a very common problem, especially if you have like connected your Shopify to Printful or Printify. This is a very common problem. Now to fix this problem is simple, like it's easy to fix this problem. Just log in into your Shopify store. I'm actually going to show you like multiple methods on how you can fix this problem. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on products here. Now for those who are not like importing products from Printful or Printify, now you want to click on it, like you want to click on the product. Okay, now after, guys, you click on the product, then if you have like a product with different variant, like with more like multiple variant, if you have like a product with different sizes, different colors, now what you guys need to do is you want to click on each variant. Okay, so after you click on each variant, then if you scroll down, you will be able to see this track quantity. Okay, so when you check this, when you check track quantity, then you have enabled like the quantity, like the track quantity. Okay, so the inventory is going to be tracked now. Okay, so you can also check this where it says continue selling when out of stock. Now if you are like importing products from Printful or Printify, when you check this continue selling when out of stock, it's not going to work because there is like a third party producer that is going to produce these products, so you can like they cannot risk it. Okay, so that do you want to make sure that the stock, like the like products are available and in stock. So when you enable this and you are importing products for third party like Printful or Printify, it's not going to work. So this is only going to work like continue selling when out of stock when you are importing products from like AliExpress or let's say Alibaba or any like e-commerce websites like that. So like you can like click on each variant and you want to click on track quantity. Okay, you can also change the quantity here on each location, like this is the location used to fulfill orders. If you are using, for example, Printify, you will be able to see here Printify location where like the orders will be fulfilled. Now you can also change the quantity here if you want. You can change the available quantity here or on hand. Now if it's a physical product, you want to check this box here. Okay, so if you are like importing products from Printiful, like I said, you will have to click on each variant. Okay, like if you have a product with only one color, one size, you can just scroll down and you will be able to see this box. It says track quantity. As you can see, just check this box and you will be able to enable like track in, like, so that your inventory will be tracked. Okay, when you check this box. Okay, so you're like, you will like keep that in mind, like when you on even if you see inventory is not tracked, your customers will still be able to place the order on your Shopify store. This is just like a glitch. I like, this is what like Printful say, like Printify says about this problem. Okay, so let me show you right now. It says here the stock information between Printify and stores connected to it won't update automatically, so your customers can still place orders if you have order routing enabled. Okay, so the out of stock items will be automatically routed to the print provider that has the same item available. Otherwise, the order consisting of the out of stock product will remain on hold until it's back in stock. Alternatively, you can republish your listings to get the most up-to-date stock information. That's what Printify says about this problem, because when you go to Printify or Printful, you see the items, like the products are in stock, but when you go to Shopify, they are out of stock, or like it says inventory not tracked. So that's exactly how you can fix it. Like enabling inventory tracking is a good idea if you have like limited amount of product available, and you want to keep like accurate track of how much products you have. But like if you are drop shipping or if you are using print on demand like business model, you don't really need to enable this option, okay, this feature on Shopify. So because you cannot have like control over it, because you don't really know how much you have left in stock. Okay, so if you are using, for example, Printful, you don't really have to track quantity. Okay, like your customers will still be able to place orders on your Shopify store without any problem. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. As you can see, the fulfillment service, you can change like the inventory will be stocked at, like you can change the inventory location. You can do that here. Now you can also add here the stock keeping unit. Okay, you will get this number and then like paste it here so that you can track the quantity. If you like uncheck this or untick it, this track quantity, then this is going to be a good thing if you are like, for example, using Printify or Printful. You don't really need to enable track quantity. Okay, so but if you don't, you can just click on track quantity and also check this box where it says continue selling when out of stock. Okay, so if you have guys any questions, like I said, you want to click on each variant and you want to enable this track quantity option. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.